Hi guys, welcome back. Right, a very quick thank you to a few people. Thanks to Are We There Yet from the Lock Sport forum for sorting out these abuses for a few of us. It's purchased I don't know, a couple of days ago. Yeah, 7240 abus has the abus name apparently in the key way. Don't know which way abus is, and I can't fucking see abus, but never mind. 7240 Ingersoll from Bosscock. Ingersoll 10 leather, absolutely amazing, and especially to Mimi for these lovely picks that he's made that I get to have a go on and keep, which is amazing. Made out of kitchen knives, that's the word I'm looking for, kitchen knives. Ground down, polished up, 3 progressive hooks, fabulous. So I guess we should have a go with one of them. Let's have a go at picking this abus. See if we can get it open. Can't guarantee it because I haven't played with it yet, but there you go. Here we go. Let's have a go. See how it goes. I don't normally like abuses because they're full of spools and stuff, aren't they? Horrible things. I hate things. But let's have a feel. Okay. Looks like pin 1's bound in already. 1, 2, nothing. 3 feels like he's stuck up. 4, dropped on 4. 5, is that 5? I'm not sure. Counter rotation. I think this is 6 pin. I can't remember. Maybe it's only 5. I'm down the back there anyway. Who knows? Right, where are we? Don't know where we are now. This is where I get to with these. I don't know where I am. Actually, pin 1's counter rotation again. That was 1. Pin on 3. Where are we? Let's slacken up on the tension. See if we can get some feedback. It's feeling pretty dead. So I think I've just hung up on 1 pin somewhere. Is that it? Gone back a long way. Big click. There we go, got it in the end. It's quite a deep pin there somewhere. I guess, yeah. I think that was. I think there's a pin there on top of there. Yeah, that was hung up on that one. Anyway, he's open. Should we have a look inside? I can't be arsed, to be honest. It was just a quick video. Quick pick. First time. I'll show you it works. Yeah, that was just really a thank you video, really. Thanks to Are We There Yet Bosscock, and especially Mimi for these gorgeous picks. I will cherish them and use them a lot. Alright guys, catch you later. Bye. Should we got it? Oh, we better got it, haven't we? Just to show you that there is pins in it. Right, I'm going to gut it really quick. It's not going to be pretty because I ain't got nothing ready here. So let's even see if we can find a screwdriver in about 3 seconds. Yeah, there's a screwdriver. Keys. Let's get this bad boy open. Hate these abuses. I love them, if you know what I mean. They're nice looking. I hate picking them. always hanging up and horrible crunchy balls. Okay, there's the body, little retaining thing that the screws into. Here's the, oh crap, I didn't want to do that, did I? Let's get that pin back in there because I don't want to bugger the block up before I even start. Right, let's get the spring off. Nearly made a mistake then of turning the key all the way around. Well, it did turn all the way around, but only one pin fell out. So you can load these from the top, yeah? Can I get this thing off without too much trouble? Army Dreamer. Think we had a bit of movement then. Yeah, that's enough. There goes that flying. I can't pick it up. There we go, there's a spring. Actually, I'm not sure if I've got a follower small enough for this. I have to put it like that so that the follower fits. It's going to be the smallest one I've got. And the key pins are going to be on that side. Horrible little pissy little things, these things, isn't they, eh? Right, here we go, there's the doodah, there's that doodah. Oh, it was a 6 pin. I thought it was a 6 pin, I wasn't sure. Yeah, gotta pick them all. It's the back, that was the one that I was caught up on. There's a deep one in 5. So let's get these out. Standard in 1, standard in 6, I should say. Should do this the other way around really, shouldn't I? Alright, that's going to be 6. But I've only got... So let's turn this round and do this properly. That's 1. That's 2. Standard. 3. Standard. 4. Standard. 5. Small standard. Anything going on in there? Don't think so. All looks normal. Right, now where was the back and the front of this? I think that sits in there, doesn't it? So this is the front. Some tweezers, and I'm guessing one's going to be a standard, the rest spools. 1 was standard, yes. 2 spool. 3, yep, spool. 4, let's do this like this. 4 came out with a spring, a standard spool. 5, spool, and 6 spool. 1 standard, 5 spools, as you'd expect in a horrible A-bus. Springs are all the same size as you'd expect. That's the A-bus 7240. I'll mess about getting all that back together. Alright guys, let's bring you in a little bit. There you go, spools, standard on the bottom, spools on the top. A-bus 7240 by Tyco. Alright, see you later guys, bye.